Hello children, welcome to Little Bird English School. Now I am going to teach you a subject, English of Standard 3rd. Let's start the unit. Unit 1, the world of flowers. We all love flowers. There are many types of flowers in the world like rose, lotus, marigold, jasmine, etc. Let's start the unit with the activity. Activity number 1. Children, do this activity at your home. Here, write the names of 2 flowers you like. In second, talk to your friend and find out which flowers he/she likes. In third, list 5 flowers both of you like. Come to second activity. Activity number 2. Look at these pictures of flowers and try to recognize these flowers with me. This is marigold, lotus, hibiscus, jasmine, sunflower, plumeria. Children, here do this activity at your home. In first column, write 6 names of the flower. In second column, write where did I see this flower. In third column, write what do I like about the flower. Children, let's start the story. Story name is The Magic Garden. The magic garden was in a school playground. Where is the magic garden? It was in a school playground. It was very pretty. Sunflowers and roses stood high against the wall. The plants of sunflowers and roses are very big in the garden. There were also marigold, poppies and pansies. There were many types of flowers in the garden like marigold, poppies and pansies. The sunshine fell on this garden more than on any other garden, and the flowers danced and sang happily. The sunshine fell on this garden more in comparison to another gardens. That's why the flowers danced and sang happily. They said to one another, "We have hundreds of little gardeners." They were talking about the children from the school. The flowers talking to each other and said that they have hundreds of little gardeners. What is the meaning of gardeners? Gardeners means the person who take care of the garden. And here they were talking about the children from the school. That means the gardeners are the little children. One sunny morning, the flowers were talking to the birds. "I love all the children, but I love the dear little ones most of all," said a poppy. "I like that they bring their water cans and water my thirsty roots." One day, on bright morning, the flowers were talking to the birds. And the poppy said that, "I love all the children, but I love the one children the most." Why? Because they bring their water cans daily to the garden and water their thirsty roots. Here said the marigold, "The children are good to us too." The marigold also agrees to the poppy and said, "The children are good to us too. They dig the ground so well. The children plow the garden ground so well." "We love the little children," said a tiny bird. "They are kind and they feed us." The birds also love the children. Why? Because they are kind and they feed them. Here all the flowers said, "We must work hard to make our dresses very pretty, for the children will be here soon." All the flowers said that they have to become very beautiful and grow fast. Why? Because the children will come soon in the garden. The sun said, I will also help you, for nothing pleases me more than to see the children playing in the golden sunshine. The sun said to the flowers that he will help the flowers to grow fast and look beautiful. Why? Because the sun also likes and loves the children playing in the garden in the golden sunshine. Then the children came out laughing and singing, and the flowers stopped their songs to listen them. Suddenly the children came out with laughing and singing, and at that time the flowers stopped their songs and listened to the children. Oh, look at the tall sunflower, said one child, and the sunflower lifted its head very proudly. One child said that, oh, look at the tall sunflower. By listening this, the sunflower lifted its head very proudly. Another child said, I love the marigold in its golden dress. The marigold smiled happily. Another child said that, I love the marigold in its golden dress. By listening this, the marigold also smiled happily. It was indeed a magic garden because it had fairies too. It was actually a magic garden. Why? Because it had fairies too. They danced and sang sweet songs which only the children could hear. The fairies could dance and sang sweet songs which only the children could hear. After a while, the fairies came out dancing and talked with the children. Their dresses were made of flowers and their wings of sunshine. After some time, fairies came out with dancing and talked with the children. And the fairies' dresses were made of garden flowers and their wings of sunshine. The magic garden was quite that night. The flowers and birds were asleep and dreaming of the next day when the children would come again. The magic garden was silent at that night, and the flowers and birds were asleep and dreaming of the next day when the children would come again. This story adapted from the Fairy Garden by Margaret H. Bolton. Thank you, children.